Hello and welcome to my channel Pharmacy in Depth, where we'll talk about pharmacy related topics in detail. Today we will talk about carbohydrates, which are commonly known as sugars. Carbohydrate is an organic macromolecule which contains carbon atom and water molecules H2O, which gives its name carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main fuel source from which all the living organisms derive their energy. Carbohydrates are classified as simple sugars or complex sugars. All simple sugars are known as saccharides, and when there is only one molecule of sugar, it is called as monosaccharide. Examples of monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, galactose, mannose, etc. When one monosaccharide combines with another monosaccharide with a glycosidic linkage, it forms a disaccharide. When two glucose units bind together, it forms a disaccharide called maltose, which is commonly found in molasses, beetroots, and honey, which is used in fermentation of beer and bread. Similarly, when a glucose molecule binds with a fructose molecule, it forms sucrose, which is commonly known as table sugar, and it is found in sugarcane. And when a glucose molecule binds with a galactose molecule, it forms lactose, which is known as milk sugar and is commonly found in milk. These simple sugars are found in different amount in different food items. For example, in honey, there is 38.5% of fructose, 31% of glucose, 7.2% of maltose, and 1.5% of sucrose. Among simple sugars, sucrose, which is a disaccharide and is known as table sugar, is considered as a standard for sweetness, and the sweetness of all the other sugars is compared against the sweetness of sucrose. So if we consider the sweetness of sucrose as 100%, we can see that the sweetness of fructose is more than that of sucrose, that is 140%. And the sweetness of maltose and lactose is 30 to 50% and 20% respectively as compared to the sweetness of sucrose. So if you taste them, they will taste less sweet as compared to your normal sugar. So coming to complex sugars, so when there are more than two monosaccharide units attached together, which is from 3 to 10, then it is called oligosaccharides. They are essential for bacterial growth and hence used in prebiotic food products. They occur naturally in plants, and the common examples are fructo-oligosaccharide, which is found in onion and canned foods, and galacto-oligosaccharide, which is found in soybean, pea, and cabbage. When the number of monosaccharide units attached together is more than 10, then it is called polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are the most abundant form of carbohydrates which is present in the nature. In all the plant cell wall, cellulose is present, which functions to provide the mechanical strength to the leaf. Starch we get from foods like maize, potato, rice. When we eat the foods containing starch, they get broken down to disaccharides and then finally to monosaccharides, mainly glucose inside our body. This glucose is used to produce energy or the ATP molecules. When the body does not require the glucose molecule to produce the energy immediately, they get converted to a different polysaccharide called the glycogen and is stored in the body for future use. So guys, this was just a refresher on carbohydrates, simple and complex sugars. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.